Gonna do a pack opening.
Cheap bitch only bought 5 packs. 6 packs. Still cheap bitch.
Looking to pull that X tonight. 101.
Oh, he's used to pulling stuff.
That's not bad, man.
At least show what you pull, you fuck.
Oh, shut up.
You dick.
He'll show what he pulls after YouTube.
Sometimes you just don't want to know what he pulls. Thanks, sexual. Bad curves. Up in this bitch.
I'm losing my faith.
Are you losing your religion? Oh, you pulled Leo. At least that's not total shit. It isn't.
Man, that guy's good.
He is a good rare. Peacekeeper, that's.
Peacekeeper's not bad.
It's not bad if it didn't come as an ultra.
Yeah.
Garbage pulls.
Oh, that was shit.
Well, YouTube, he pulled nothing.
That's how you fail. That's how you fail.
What? Okay.
6 packs. Alright, this is Astral pack openings from Toronto's locals.
Team Slushy.
Team Slushy, what?
Just split. First place, so. Alti Necro Valley.
Alti Necro. Kinda wanna. Not bad.
Don't you dare.
Consecrate it.
Yeah. That band card.
It's not banned.
Morbid Jet.
Oh, yeah. Number 2.
Eternity.
Spellbook. Put your shinies down here.
Oh. Soul Drain.
Wow, you're pulling all the shinies.
Pulling good shinies. Minus the Necro Vales. Scarecrow.
The Ultimax thing. No, it's a super.
Alright,
Team Slushy here. Just gonna do a pack opening. He split first place with me, so yeah.
Supposed to destroy your art. You can open those way easier.
Hey, I'm nervous.
Fuck you nervous for it.
Oh, the best card you could pull.
It's actually gonna be below for $5.
Yeah.
What is it?
You pull it, consecrate it.
Concy.
I have a feeling those are going to be used, believe it or not. Super excited. Yeah,
It's like, I gotta race like a piss horse. What's that?
Quick draw.
How's that?
I don't even know what that fucking is.
I didn't know it was in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a machine Airnac car set.
Oh, wow.
Destroy something, draw a card.
What is that?
Dude, he's about to pull Ultimax, dude. Oh, he got that super cool, dude.
Glue.
He's gonna pull. I don't think he's gonna pull an ultimate.
It's gonna be
Yeah, it's gonna be one of them fucks.
That's how it always goes. Wisdom.
Boom.
Dude, he pulled an Eternity and Wisdom, too. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
This is the slowest pack opening I've ever seen.
Oh, chill
I
out.
want that Archie's Oath.
Do you?
Yeah. I want your guys' reasonings. I want an updated
Yeah,
version.
that's what the other scarecrow.
Wow.
Okay.
I'm kind of interested
Well-
in the scarecrows because I
Not bad pulls.
Pack opening's over. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.